My name is Mike Kushner. I work for Ernest D. Menold Incorporated. We're a sheet metal contractor out of Philadelphia. The overall scope of this project was to convert a packaging area into a new lab space. We had the sheet metal scope of work as part of the HVAC scope of work. So with doing the new design of the ductwork, there was only a small area where we can penetrate the roof with the exhaust duct, and that's why the Strobic fans are here, so we can fit them in a small footprint and get the discharge air that we need up and above the curtain wall and out to the proper airspace.
My name is Ethan Goodstein. I am a sales engineer for TKO, the Kirkman Oliver Company. We specialize in critical airflow control. We are the manufacturer's rep for Phoenix Controls, Strobic Air Technologies, and Air Acuity Systems. So we worked with RPA Engineering on this design. When they were taking a look at what they needed for this space, the requirements of this space, they knew that they needed to fit within a specific footprint. So we knew that we had to make our selection fit within the footprint that they had for this unit. We went with an N+1 system, which just means one fan operating, one fan redundant. The redundancy was important, like I said, as an R&D pharmaceutical facility serving a critical environment, to have that redundancy if one fan were to fail. So this is a 2-fan system shared on a common plenum on top of a 24-inch roof curb. All of those factors were taken into consideration as part of this design.
Ernest Menold has been on site here for well over 40 years. This is my roughly 30th year being at this site. This is one of our more successful projects as far as schedule, safety, and all went, working well with Skanska, RPA, and TKO to finish the project successfully.
Thanks for joining us today. Special thanks go out to Skanska, Menold, RPA Engineering for working with us on this project. If you think that Strobic Air Laboratory exhaust fans, Phoenix Controls air valves may be a good fit for your project, please reach out to TKO to learn more.